Hi everybody. Today I want to teach you for Reading Workshop that we can retell a story using a structure called Somebody Wanted But So. Retelling a story. Somebody wanted but so is a wonderful way to retell a story. I would like to show you how that is done. Somebody would be your character. In that story, that somebody is going to want to do something. There's going to be something that this character is going to be trying to do. Usually, there will be a problem in the story. That problem is the but. And then there is a solution to the problem, which is the so. The character wants to do something, but then the character encounters a problem and then comes to a conclusion. Let's take our somebody wanted but so structure and use our storybook characters that we came up with yesterday. Let's use Ramona. Ramona wanted to go back to kindergarten at the end of the book. She had pulled Susan's curls, and that was one type of problem. But the story ended with her wanting to go back to kindergarten, but the problem was she felt Miss Binney did not like her. She could not go back to kindergarten because Miss Binney did not like her. At the end of the story, you may recall Howie came to her house with a note asking when she was going to come back to kindergarten. So the solution to the problem was Ramona felt that Miss Binney loved her again and she was ready to go back to kindergarten. Sometimes it's easier. There's lots of different problems in a chapter book. And when you go to write your chapter books, you may find that you might have the same character and lots of different problems. That's what keeps the chapter book interesting. Ramona had a bunch of problems in that book. One of the problems was that she lost her tooth and couldn't let her family know. Lots of different problems in the book. If we take a shorter book, the problems are not as many. So let's take, I wrote 3 bears and 3 pigs. So Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Let's do our structure with that. Somebody wanted but so. Let's say somebody, we're going to say that somebody was Goldilocks. She wanted some porridge and a place to sleep. The problem was that wasn't her house. It was the 3 bears' house. And the problem was the bears came back. So Goldilocks, the solution was she ran away back into the woods. That was that story. How about the 3 pigs? The somebody were the 3 pigs. And they wanted to strike out and find houses of their own. But the big bad wolf came calling. And one of the problems was that 2 of the houses, the straw and the stick houses, weren't made well enough. And that was a problem too. The wolf could get in. So the solution was they ended up at their brother's house, the one made out of bricks. And they finally got rid of that big bad wolf. It's important when you read a story that you know how to retell the story. And this is a great structure for retelling a story. Somebody is the character. Wanted, that's what the character does in the story. But there's the problem. So there's the solution. When you read your book today, pick a character and try this structure of retelling a story. Have fun with reading. See you later.